Hello, my name is Robert Bekelo. I come from BRS-Labs, Tanzania. I'm here to give the feedback of the courses, website, and the way of studying at Brilliant Remote Sensing Labs. Talking about the courses were designed in a simple way that a student can understand and can get and acquire enough knowledge of the courses. The instructor explained or described each content of the courses plus the practical way of how to do what is inside the content of the courses. Also, thank for Brilliant Remote Sensing Lab for providing free software for helping the student to practice what he or she has learned throughout the courses. Talking about the websites are arranged in a way that a student can know where to find the courses, what to learn, and how to learn, how to open. The courses explain the introduction part plus the practical part. Also, website provide the place for a student can find the examination. Also, inside the examination, you will find two parties, as it depends on which courses you are taking. But in my site, only one courses contain two parties, whereby there is theoretical exam plus practical examination. But the remaining courses only practical. So it depends with which courses you are taking, and the examiner will provide a question according to what a student or according what you have learned in the courses. Also, the way the examination were set are in a simple way or are in a clear vision that there is no unfair. It is fair examination, and if a student is well enough or understand or get enough knowledge, he can be able to answer the questions correctly and perform well in the examination. So I want to thank Brilliant Remote Sensing Lab for providing the scholarship courses, because it helps also for those who are not be able to afford the price of the courses can get it with the minimum amount. Also, I thank God at the end of the day I succeeded to get the certificate, as you can see here. Like now I'm a remote sensing solution developer. So even you, when you finish the course, you receive a certificate as long as you perform well in the examination. So thank you very much. Thank you.